Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer the iPhone data you have to an Android device if you're thinking of switching. First thing first, connect your iPhone to your PC using a Lightning cable. Turn on and unlock your iPhone, and when prompted, tap Trust this computer and enter your PIN. On your PC, click the Start button and open the Photos app. Click Import from a USB device, then select Apple iPhone from the list if you're on Windows 11. Now follow the instructions to pick which photos you want to import and where to save them. Then click Add Items, Import, then wait for the transfer to be completed. Now connect your Android phone to your PC with a cable, and on your Android device, swipe down the notification shade. Change the USB option to File Transfer, and on your PC open the folder where you imported your iPhone photos and select them, right-click and choose Copy. In the File Explorer, open this PC and then your Android phone location. Open the DCIM or Pictures folder and right-click inside the folder and select Past. And done, your iPhone photos are now available on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.